Give it a shot, unraveling the essence of trying. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very common English phrase, give it a shot. You might have heard it in movies, read it in books, or come across it in everyday conversations. But what does it really mean, and how can you use it in your own conversations? Let's explore together and give it a shot at understanding this phrase inside out. Give it a shot is an idiomatic expression that means to try something. The phrase encourages someone to attempt a task, even if it seems challenging or if the person is unsure about the outcome. It's all about giving something a try, regardless of the fear of failure. This expression is very similar to other phrases like, give it a go, or try your hand at it. While the exact origins of give it a shot are not clearly documented, it's widely believed that this phrase comes from the world of sports or gambling, where taking a shot means making an attempt to score or win. Over time, it has evolved into everyday language to mean attempting any task, not just in sports or gambling. Now, let's look at how you can incorporate give it a shot into your conversations. 1. When encouraging someone, you've never cooked Italian food before? You should give it a shot, it's easier than you think. 2. When trying something new, I've never gone skiing before, but I'm willing to give it a shot. 3. Expressing willingness to attempt a difficult task. I'm not sure if I can fix your car, but I'll give it a shot. Remember, using give it a shot shows a positive attitude towards facing new challenges and experiences. It's also useful to know some variations of this phrase, which can be used interchangeably depending on the context. Some of these include, give it a go, take a crack at it, try your hand at it. Each of these expressions conveys a similar sentiment of attempting something new or challenging. We hope this video helps you understand the phrase, give it a shot, and encourages you to use it in your daily conversations. Remember, the essence of this phrase is all about trying and not being afraid to face new challenges. So, the next time you're hesitant about trying something new, just give it a shot. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel for more English language tips. See you in the next video.